Hello students, let's look at the introduction part of the subject software engineering. Let's look at about software and then about software engineering. The subject code is 19CS 408 software engineering integrated with a lab. First and foremost, let's look at what is a software. The term software can be better defined by three keywords. One is instruction, data structures and documentation. Putting together instruction to the computer by a very well features, function and performance derived in it, and data structures that enable the programs to adequately manipulate the informations better and comfortably. Documentations is very important in terms of describing the operations and use of the programs, because for maintaining a particular software, documentation maintainability is very important. So software is actually developed or engineered. It is not manufactured. It is actually developed step by step, and it is engineered stage by stage, and it is actually not been manufactured in any of the classical sense, and doesn't wear out. It doesn't have any wear out characteristics. It is only be maintained. Although the industry is moving towards component-based construction, most software continues to be a very custom built, because every customer requires their own purpose in operating particular software. So this picture depicts during the starting stage on the development of the software, the failure rate could be very higher, because incorporating the customer's requirement may be very less understandable during the starting stage of the development of the software. As the days moves on, the failure rate stabilizes, and there may be in certain periods there could be an increased failures due to certain adding up a lot of functionalities in it. So that should also be taken care of, so thereby an idealized curve can be maintained. These are the list of software applications: system software, application software, engineering software, embedded software, product line software, and web applications, any more artificial intelligence software. So these are different areas of software which has been developed. But altogether, based on that respective customers, the requirements have been converted in terms of a software to better make the customers feel experienced of what they really want on the final output. There are different new categories of the software are coming up in terms of the areas like open world computing, pervasive distributed computing. So there were a lot of requirements in developing certain softwares in operating these technical operations, and ubiquitous computing in terms of making everything available then and there to the users. So in order to combining them, a lot of softwares are coming up: net sourcing, open source softwares, and also in certain different areas of latest technical subjects like data mining, grid computing, cognitive machines, and nanotechnologies. A lot of software to satisfy the needs of their own services. The software is being generated. Legacy software, why must it change? Actually, software must be adapted to meet the needs of new computing environments or technology. This must be a very important characteristic of a software. Adapted, it should be adaptable. Software must be enhanced to implement new business requirements, and extended even to make it interoperable with more coming up modern systems and databases. Software must be re-architected to make it viable within a network environment. Even it must be, another point that I can add on this is like maintainable as well. Means a iteratable way of updating the software requirement should also be taken care of. Web application is one area which is a very prevalently software has been generated in the IT industry. So the characteristics or network intensiveness, concurrently operating for many users. Unpredictable load should be ready to be handled. Performance, there should not be any performance issues, so thereby a proper application should be planned, available 24/7, and it must be a data driven. A certain kind of web application might be a data driven and very content sensitive, and continuous evaluation on it, and immediacy in compelling need to get software to market quickly, and security in terms of when it is being launched in terms of your network. So security is also an very important for end users. Aesthetics, so how appeals to the users, so thereby it can be very easily marketed.